These preschoolers and their families can look forward to a new and expanded learning center in Jamaica Plain. The center will be developed in a vacant building at the Bromley-Heath public housing development with learning programs for children and adults. The center will be the first of its kind in public housing. When the center opens in January 2014, half the children to be served will be from Bromley-Heath.
We now know that the first 5 years is the most important time in a human being's development. And so being able to build this learning center here in Bromley-Heath will give these kids an opportunity, sort of closing the opportunity gap, if you will, so that when they get to public schools or whatever school they go to after they leave here, they are on the same footing as their peers who have come from a higher socioeconomic background.
Healthy kids, ready kids. Healthy communities, ready schools, and involved parents. That is what it takes. We know what matters. We know that the achievement gap is really about an opportunity and an access gap. We know that children need to play, that they need extended learning time, they need quality health care, and they need all the adults and families in a community connected to meeting their needs.
We want our children to succeed in learning and in life. The earlier we engage them in their young lives with educational opportunities, the more likely they are to succeed.
This is going to bring a lot of help and a lot of hope into this community. Why? Because it's going to be open early in the morning, and he's keeping it open after 5. And in this community, that means a lot. I can't wait because we're going to have all of our after-school meetings here. We're going to have all kinds of stuff going on to keep our community engaged.
People have negative views about areas such as ours, and these people feel good enough. This organization feels safe enough and comfortable enough to remain in here and provide and expand.
Yes, it's school readiness for children, but it's also strengthening families. It's also providing nutrition and education for the children who are on our programs. It's about providing employment while the project's being built, employment for the people that are working here, but most importantly, employment for the parents of the children who are going to attend our centers.
We know that availability of early education is essential to the formula of allowing parents, and we know it, especially women, to get out there and to add their talents to our labor force and to our economy. And this is going to unleash so much talent into our economy here in Massachusetts.
The cost of the center is $16 million, made possible by $5 million from the federal government and $11 million from philanthropy and financing.